Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. In this video, we will discuss how to create quantity linking in Excel to fetch live data from Revu markups. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, go to the Files menu and open your PDF construction plan. As you can see, we have already created some area measurements on this PDF plan. We created and segmented different areas by saving area measurements with labels A2C as custom tools in our tool chest. This way, it is easier to manage different areas for different purposes in the markups list and quantity linking. In our Excel sheet, you can see the same area labels here. Let's consider that we created these three different areas for flooring, carpeting, and wooden flooring. Before creating a quantity link, right-click on the empty cell, go to the Quantity Link option for Revu, and click the Preferences option from the menu. Here, you can opt for including the units of measurement and markup quantity. Let's include all options, and we will see how it works. Now, right-click on the empty cell where you want to import quantities from Revu and click the Create option in the Quantity Link section. We have to give Excel the location of this PDF file that we are using for quantity linking. To do this, click the Add button in the Select Files window and select the same PDF file. Now click OK to proceed. In the Create Link window, go to the Total option and select Area, as we are importing area quantities. Below, you have options to import areas. As we have created areas with different subjects, you can see the same area labels here. Now, select Area A and click OK. As you can see, the quantity link is created showing the value with unit and quantity of markups for Area A. The quantity of markups is showing 1. As you can see, there is only one markup created as Area A. The area is measured as 192 square feet. Let's go to the tool chest and select the Area A tool to calculate another area measurement on this PDF. Now it's calculating two areas of 192 and 204 square feet, totaling 396 square feet. Now, if you go back to your Excel sheet, your cells will automatically update with the new total value and markup quantity, showing two markups. Let's create a new area type and call it Area D. Let's say we are using it for tiling. Go back to Revu, open the Measurements panel, and select the area measurement. Click and drag to create a new area. Let's customize its text color and fill color. Once you are done, right-click on your area measurement and add it to your tool chest. Go to the Tool Chest panel and change its subject to Area D. Save the file and go back to Excel. Create a new quantity link like we did before. As you can see, Excel is showing the default subject for our new area. You can update the source file to resolve this error by choosing the Source Files option just below the Create option. Let's use the same for now. As you can see, Excel is now picking our new area measurement with the subject Area D. Saving and segmenting different areas with respect to their subjects in your tool chest is the best way to perform quantity linking, taking your estimations and takeoffs in Revu to the next level. This is it for today. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics.